Did you see a fucking helicopter on your way here?
No, I don't think so.
Okay, let's go. Come on, quick. We gotta head towards Port Tudor. Go to the old factory off of August Street.
Alright guys, what's going on? Kassam says it here, bringing back some more Grand Theft Auto 4 main story missions gameplay. This is the mission called Trespass, which of course, this is what the title suggests. So I head over to the spunk factory.
Alright. Now the way I sees it, there's two ways it can go down. You burst in the front and hit them in the face with everything you got. Otherwise, you slip around the back, go in through the basement, and fuck them up their asses.
Decisions.
I'll leave it up to you. See you later.
Okay, there you go. A decision, I'll go through the front or the back. I'll go through the back. Now, I never tried through the front way, so I never actually thought how hard could it be. But the back way is just as awesome. So just head over to this way, head over to this tunnel. There's a couple of guys up there. As soon as you start your first kill, that's it. A big shootout will begin. So, just trying to listen out again at the same time. See all the spunk that's coming out. Okay. I can hear. Shootout begins. Now, of course, as you progress up to the floor, to the top floor, there's always dudes in each floor. So just have to watch out. Just make sure you clear each floor before advancing. Now you see, I can't use that stairs here, so I've got to use that part of the building. Reloading, picking up ammo as I go along. I clear someone shooting at me. He's dead, and he's dead. Okay, so there is Chubby Charlie. That's marked up. And I actually don't think that you could actually kill him before you two, you know, be up in the roof. I don't think it's even remotely possible. But never mind, just keep chasing him. It's not like this is not timed anyway, so you don't have to feel pressured about him getting away and things like that. So you just have to just sweep each floor as you go up. Take well cover. Pick up any health or any armors that you see. There's a guy there. And try to aim. Oh, here we go. There it is. Nice. Go through this mini corridor there. There's a guy on the left and the right. Oh. Nice. Where is that? Nice. Nice there. Look, I tried. So I just don't think it's even possible for you to kill him because of the in-game design cutscene that will happen in the end. So just don't worry about trying to kill him anyway. So just focus on killing these dudes. Wait. Knockout. Nice. So of course you jump through the window here. So follow suit. And you can see him there, he's just running. And there's all these guys there. So there's no way that you could actually get lost in this roof actually. Because it's clear of where all your targets are. And of course all the red dots, it doesn't show where your enemies are. It only shows the position of Chubby Charlie. So the best thing to do, just to keep here, is to look. I tried, shoot. Really? 4, 5, 6 shots of sniper shots. And he's still not dead. So you can't kill him. Try to do that. I can't aim at him with my rifle, so bring out the sniper. Take out that guy. So any dudes there? Don't think there's anyone up down there anyway. There's more guys up on the roof. So let's roll. Watch out, there he is. Nice. Any more? Oh yes.
Next time I see the band, he'll be wearing some man's boots.
Okay, there you go. So he gets onto the chopper. What you do? Take out the chopper. You take him out, but take out the chopper. That's the most important thing. Shoot out the chopper, and it will trigger the important cutscene that will end this mission. There you go. Nice. There you go. Mission passed. And that is it. I mean, you gotta kill him on the roof, so you can't kill him before. And that's about it. Just be careful as you go up the stairs. Uncle Sam says there. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I'm out. Peace.
You don't need to worry about the fat man singing. He's lost his voice.
That's a real shame. How about them swingers, huh? Great work, man. Great work.